Cars for the hip. In this case, I'm going to be standing using a chair for balance. However, these can be done in many different positions. A couple things to keep in mind is we want our hips to stay forward and as little motion coming from the rest of the body as possible. Keeping your balance with the chair or the wall next to you, you're going to bring your knee up towards your chest as high as you can. From here, we're going to do what I call opening the door. So the leg is going to swing open. Now from here, we want the heel to turn up towards the ceiling as I come into internal hip rotation. Then I'm going to push backwards with my heel and close the door. And we'll simply reverse this motion with the heel leading into extension in the back. The leg rises as high as possible. The heel drops as the knee comes up, and we close the door. As you're moving through this, keep in mind a few things. Again, the hips facing forward at all times. And as you rotate in this position, we're going to try to avoid the hip hiking up. So we want as little motion as possible and nice and smooth in that joint.